Welcome to day 48 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge. In this video, we'll dive into a practical problem, calculating electricity bills based on consumption and slab rates. For the first 50 units, the charge is $2 per unit. For the next 100 units, 51, 100, the charge is $3 per unit. Then, for the next 100 units, 200, the charge is $8 per unit. Additionally, there's a 20% surcharge on the total bill. Input. The input will be a single line containing an integer. Output. The output should be a single line containing the calculated bill amount. Sample input and output are also be given for your reference. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more daily coding tutorials. Your support keeps us going. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for daily coding content. Stay tuned for more coding challenges and tutorials to enhance your Python skills.